Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am explaining you about the fake job offers. Nowadays everyone is afraid of job, so this is the advantages for some fraud websites. So they will send the job offer link to your message or mail or something. So be aware of that links. Today I am explaining about Navaratna India Limited. Like here, you will see the link Navaratna India Limited. When you open that link, like you may get through in SMS or mail. After entering the website, you will see here the career openings. When you open this career, I will go with the junior engineering training. When you open that, they will show these many number of posts, 1600. This one is never exist for the core companies generally. So they will show for mechanical 230, civil 220, electrical 240, electronics 230, and everyone will think like you will get a job definitely because of the total number of vacancies are more, so you can easily get the job. So like that they will think, and like that you may think. So they will show the online exam structure of the online exam, like 2 hours exam. These things they will show. And finally application fees like 1000 rupees, 1000 only. So when you go to the apply link, proceed. Application form, this one is like you can put anything, okay, in name and date of birth, like you can set anything, and email id you can put, and phone number, okay, and examination center, anything you can put, and choose file. Resume is like I will put some pictures, is mm, that is not my resume also, and generally resumes are asked in a PDF form only, not images. Now when you submit, it will take it will take, see, anything you put, it will take, and enter your and there is no like a quick pay, see, uh, their payment link also not proper. So here you put name, email id, and when you pay the money, you will definitely lost 1000 rupees. And generally if you don't know the thing, you will pay and wait for a month or a week, so you won't get any notification from them, or any in mail also they won't give any response for this payment. So please don't pay. These kind of things will get in get for lot of people, so they lost most of the money. In mail also they will like for job application, they will ask 2500, 1500, sometimes 5000. They will see, because of our neediness, like for getting hurry in getting a job, we will go for that. So don't do that. Be aware of these fraud websites and fraud messages. Please for putting any job application, please make sure from the any of the source, so be aware of that.